Hi students, welcome to the science class. Today our topic is non-metals. First one, what is a non-metal? Non-metal is a substance that do not exhibit the properties of metals such as hardness, luster, malleability, ductility and the ability to conduct the electricity. So, the physical properties of non-metal is opposite to the physical properties of metals. Next one, malleability. Malleability means metals can be hammered into thin sheets. In non-metals are brittle. Brittle means easily breaks. Look at the picture. That one, non-metals brittle. The lump of carbon shatters. So non-metals are brittle means easily breaks. Look at the second picture. Metals are malleable. Iron wire changes shape. Next one, physical properties of non-metals. First point, physical state. Non-metals can exist in solid, liquid and gaseous state at room temperature. Example, solid, carbon C, sulfur S, iodine I. Liquid, bromine, symbol Br. Bromine is the liquid state of the non-metals. Next one, gas, oxygen O, nitrogen N, hydrogen H. These are the physical state of the non-metals. Next one, physical properties of non-metals. In first one, no luster. No luster means dull appearance. Luster means shiny. No luster means dull appearance. Second one, non-metals are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Third one, brittle. Brittle means breaks easily. And then next one, not ductile. Not ductile means metals can be drawn into thin wires. Ductile means metals can be drawn into thin wires, but non-metals are not ductile. Next one is the malleability. Malleability means metals can be hammered into thin wires, but non-metals are not malleable. And then low density and then low melting point. These are the physical properties of the non-metal. Example is sulfur. Next one, non-metals examples. Look at the picture, diamond, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur. These are the example of the non-metals. Next one, this is the periodic table. This periodic table contains the 118 elements. Look at this periodic table. That blue color elements are metals, that yellow color elements are non-metals. In most of the periodic table, metals only present, remaining only non-metals. Next one, physical properties of metals and non-metals. In first column property, second column metals, third column non-metals. In first point, luster, metallic shine. Metals, all metals have luster. Non-metals have no luster except iodine and graphite. Iodine and graphite are luster. Second one, hardness. Metals very hard. Non-metals not hard. But in metals except sodium and potassium are soft. In non-metals, diamond are hardest substance. Next one, malleability. Property due to which a substance can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals highly malleable except zinc, antimony and arsenic. Non-metals non-malleable. In fourth point, ductility. Property by which a substance can be drawn into wire. Metals ductile except zinc, arsenic and antimony. Non-metals. Non-metals are non-ductile except carbon fiber. Next one is the conductivity. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity except bismuth and tungsten. Non-metals. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite and gas carbon. Next one, state. Metals are solid state except mercury and gallium. Non-metals. Non-metals are liquid, solid and gaseous state. Only bromine is liquid state. Next one, density. Metals are high density except sodium and potassium. Non-metals are low density except diamond. Next one is tensile strength. Metals high tensile strength, non-metals low tensile strength. Last point, alloys and amalgams. Metals are forming alloys and amalgams. Non-metals do not form alloys and amalgams except carbon and phosphorus. Thank you.